You are watching for the greater good.
Hello everyone, so this is the script of Carrom Master Strike Game, built using Pygame library on Python. I have provided the link for complete source code in the description. Feel free to comment if you are facing any problems. Now, if you are encountering difficulty in understanding Pygame module, then just hop over to our YouTube channel for the greater good. Click on Pygame Tutorials playlist and start learning from here. We have explained Pygame in quite unique technique, which can be grasped easily by students who are beginners. That's all folks, stay tuned on our channel. Till then, goodbye.